That's the good do it. You ready? Just both of them?
Yep, that's the condenser.
All right, turn that and this one. All right, now,
It's on.
can you hear it?
Yep.
Oh, there it goes.
I can listen. I can hear the liquid line dry, the liquid line, and then the suction line. You could hear some sort of hissing noise. When you hear that, you can hear a gargling noise. That's your compressor pumping. Depending on the gargling intensity, you'll determine if it's low on pressure or not. But still, hook up your gauges so you can determine if it actually is. Now, as it's running and pumping, and I know it's pumping because I can hear a hissing noise. I've been doing this for a while, so it's a trick of the trade. Come here. Now we're gonna test it by doing the same thing we were doing before.
Oh, good idea.
Now, here we go. Alright, I don't hear any hissing noise. I don't feel any hissing noise. And the last thing to go out is your fan. It has a relay.
So that turns the thing off.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, it's hard to hear it.
Yeah. But it took care of it. I know it turned it off because I can already hear it.
Yeah, here.
Yep, I can hear it just winding down.
Oh, there it is.
Yep,
All right,
there it is.
good.
And give it a little bit. There we go. Good. And then pop it back into position. And then, poof, bam.
Put the top on,
Yep.
and we
Put on
are
the thinking cap.
in business.
Yeah.
All right, excellent job.